Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon from wherever you're joining us within the Middle East and Africa. Welcome to the second annual Middle East and Africa Retail Banking Innovation Awards 2022. My name is Nirav Patel. I'm the Managing Director of the Digital Banker and Global Private Banker. It truly is an honor to be hosting this ceremony today. And this really commemorates the Middle East and Africa's preeminent retail banking institutions and, of course, your concerted drive for innovation. Thank you to all organizations that sent through detailed submissions and, of course, those that undertook the rigorous process of sending those granular data sets in. Without your efforts and without your commitment, we could not run these types of assessments for the industry and, of course, provide best benchmarks. So thank you once again, and this truly is your afternoon to commemorate and celebrate your teams. Now, the Digital Banker actually has its own proprietary assessment framework for evaluating the best-in-class entries for the MRB Innovation Awards 2022. And this really includes looking at key criteria, right, across a number of facets. So, of course, we look at financial performance and balance sheets. We look at the digital transformation journey, customer experience journeys, and, of course, the digital customer experience as well as products, payments, and services. So this is really recognizing the best of the best within the region. Now, with that said, we have a number of awards to get through today. We also have an exceptional awards lobby set up for you. This is virtual. For many of you who have attended our awards gala before, you will be familiar with this. What we do recommend is to take advantage of this gala and the lobby. There are a number of features in there, such as downloadable assets. You'll find the Digital Banker magazine alongside the Digital CX report. Now, this was actually one of our largest programs we ran earlier this year. We received over 600 submissions from 90 plus institutions. And what we've done is actually gone into those submissions and undertaken an assessment. So please do take advantage of the assets. More importantly, for yourselves and to commemorate your teams for global recognition and, of course, moreover, regional recognition, there is also a feature wall. There is also a virtual recording room where you may, at your discretion, go in and record a number of speeches or demonstrate a level of thought leadership. These assets will, of course, be made available to you in the general public across all of our channels. So for all of you who are joining us for the first time, you would have entered through this virtual lobby, navigated around, and you'll find these features there for you. There is also a photo booth for you to actually support your teams and take photos. With that said, let's jump straight into the first awards ceremony category, which is the Retail Product Innovation Awards. Now here we have 10 awards, I believe. And the first award within the Retail Product Innovation Awards is the Digital Lending Product of the Year. Your winner, ladies and gentlemen, here is Bank Mus. And here we have Mr. Amr Demirdash, who is the head of MSMEs, Banking and Islamic Finance. Amr, congratulations to you and to Bank Mus. Over to you for a few words.
Firstly, thank you. It's an honor being here. And on behalf of Bank Misr, we thank you for this award. Bank Misr was incorporated 102 years back with the foresight of including and empowering Egyptians. Fast forward to today, we are serving more than 13 million clients, and digitally enabled solution has been on the forefront of our strategy in the past, in recent history, and we are looking forward to continuing this process and working with the Egyptian economy to enable it to grow as fast as we aspire. Thank you very much again for the award.
Thank you very much, Amr, and thank you to Bank Mus. Congratulations to the entire team involved in the Digital Lending Product of the Year. We now move over to the second award within the Retail Product Innovation category, and this is for the Digital Lending Product of the Year once again. And here we have a highly acclaimed organization. For those of you who may be unfamiliar with highly acclaimed, we typically will anoint an organization with that title in a highly competitive category where our judges also felt their initiative warranted acclaim. So your highly acclaimed for this award is Rack Bank, and we do not have a spokesperson here today to collect the award on behalf of the organization, so we will honor them nonetheless. Ladies and gents, all of these awards will be made available post this gala on our websites and through an Insights report, so do keep an eye out for that. We'll move over now to the third award within the Retail Product Innovation Awards, and this is for the Best New Product Launch of the Year. Of course, this was a category that was highly competitive, and I'm delighted to announce your winner here this afternoon, and that is none other than Al Raji Bank. Congratulations to Al Raji. We now move over to the Best Savings Account, and your winner here is Echo Transnational Incorporated. We were going to have Tara Squire, who is the Echo Bank Group Head for Consumer Products. Unfortunately, last minute, Tara is unable to join us, but you will be able to hear from him at a later stage. Moving over to the fifth award, we now have the Credit Card of the Year. And your winner here, once again, is Al Raji Bank. Congratulations to Al Raji. This now brings us over to the sixth award out of the Retail Product Innovation Awards, and this is for the Credit Card of the Year. This is a highly acclaimed award, ladies and gentlemen, and that goes to the Saudi British Bank. Congratulations to them. Now, I believe for this next award, we do have a representative present, and this is for the Credit Card of the Year. Again, this is a highly acclaimed proposition, and this goes to Bank Saudi Franzi. And here we have Mr. Badr Barkawi. I hope I've pronounced the surname correctly there, Badr. He is the head of cards and payments. So I'm going to pass you the floor for a few words. Congratulations.
Thank you. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. We're truly honored to receive the Digital Banker Credit Card of the Year award on behalf of Bank Saudi Fransi. Innovation and modern banking is what we do at heart here at BSF. I thank the Digital Banker for recognizing the effort enabling digitalization and cashless economy. I'm also truly thankful to the Bank Saudi Fransi leadership for their support and guidance throughout the process. Most importantly, I thank the cards team here because they're the true soldiers behind this award. This award is a testament to their dedication and commitment in pursuit of customer happiness. Thank you. Thanks to the team. Thanks to the BSF management. That's it from my end.
Thank you very much, Badr. Congratulations to the entire team, as you mentioned, and once again to Bank Saudi Fransi. It's a fantastic achievement and a great recognition. We move over now to the Best Deposit Product of the Year, and we have a winner coming to you from Tanzania, and this is Exim Bank. Unfortunately, we don't have a spokesperson present who was able to physically join today, but again, you'll be able to hear from all of our winners subsequent to this gala. And this brings us over to the final award within this category, which is the Retail Product Innovation Awards, and that is for the Mortgage Product of the Year, the penultimate rather, and we do have a highly acclaimed category, which is the Saudi British Bank once again. And now for the final award within this category, and that is for the Best Mobile Engagement of the Year in Africa. Your winner here is Access Bank, and here we have Ms. Chioma Afe, who I believe is a familiar face, and she is the Group Head of Retail Marketing and Analytics. Chioma, congratulations to you and to Access Bank. Over to you for a few words. You'll just need to unmute. Let's see if we can get some audio.
All right, I'm unmuted now. Hello, thank you so much. On behalf of the staff and management of Access Bank, we're truly grateful for this honor for the Mobile Engagement of the Year Award for Africa. Our product offering is called Extra Wins, and it is born out of a need to drive financial inclusion in our market. And we're even more excited because beyond the borders of Nigeria, we have extended this platform to Zambia, and we're going out to Ghana shortly. This came out of the challenges our customers faced during the COVID pandemic, during the lockdown, and we developed this innovative platform to reward and to drive financial inclusion across our various markets. So we're truly grateful to the Digital Banker for recognizing our efforts, and we look forward to even more awards next year. Thank you.
Congratulations, Chioma, and of course to Access Bank for that remarkable achievement and recognition. Delivering solutions on the back of customer pain points is something that we hold in high regard. So congratulations to the team. We move over now to the next awards category, which is the SME Banking Awards. Now, just so you're aware, ladies and gents, we have launched earlier this week our inaugural Global SME Innovation Awards on the back of a number of requests due to not being able to compare apples to apples, of course, for SME banking to day-to-day retail propositions. This awards program is now available on our website, so do take a look at that. For this category here, we're going to look at the outstanding digital innovation in SME banking, and your winner here is Rackbank. Congratulations to the team and everybody in delivering the outstanding digital innovation in SME banking. We will move over, I believe, to now the next award within the Wealth Management Awards, and that is for the Best Hybrid Wealth Management Offering. And your winner here is SBM Bank Mauritius. So congratulations to them. And for all organizations who were unable to have a representative available today, we know that other priorities may take precedence. So, not to worry, we will give everybody a chance to actually talk a little bit around their initiative so that we can understand a little bit more around the customer pain points and the actual metrics and outcomes those initiatives achieved. All of this will be made available to all of our audience and our readers across the Digital Banker platforms. Now, just before we go into the next category, I'd like to talk a little bit about the insights that were really gleaned from the entries. And these really actually reflect a concerted effort from players towards a market acceleration in the launch of new digital initiatives that really leverages emerging technologies and nascent technologies as well, of course, across the front, middle and back office operations. And this is really as the industry transitions to a post-pandemic kind of environment, and we've seen a number of these initiatives now really fizzle out. So business models are actually being re-engineered to future-proof institutions, with innovation forming the core enabler in maintaining sustainable competitive advantage. We are also seeing how the likes of the metaverse and investments in the metaverse, of course, embedded finance and payments technologies are really pushing banking to the forefront of sort of all industries in terms of disruption. So it's interesting to see how organizations are really now future-proofing their organization for the digital decade ahead. We still are only probably 1% disrupted compared to what's going to take place in the next 10 years. And this is really what we're looking for, is organizations that are making the correct steps, the right steps in a granular fashion to actually get their organization future-proofed, to put the customer at the forefront of the business, and of course come up with innovative products and solutions across an omni-channel strategy. We're now seeing individuals and customers requesting financial services outside the domain of banking, and this is really where we look at the likes of embedded finance coming in. So once again, congratulations to all winners today. It's great to see you making the right moves. We're now going to go into the Digital Innovation Awards, and your first award within this category, I believe we have 8, is the Best Digital Financial Inclusion Initiative. And your winner here is, once again, Bank Mus, and we have Muattaz Matawi, who is the Head of Digital Payments, Card Business and E-Channels. Muattaz, congratulations to you for the Best Digital Financial Inclusion Initiative. Over to you.
Thank you, sir. It's an honor to be receiving such an important award, and it's a recognition of the teamwork that we have in Bank Misr. For this, we did believe that there are 2 very main aspects that we worked on. Number 1 is smoothing the onboarding process for all the merchants. Number 2 is to give the merchant the suitable innovative solution that suits them. On these 2 aspects, we've worked over the past 2 years, and we have done a success story. We believe that the numbers are talking, and the recognition is there, and we are committed for future innovative solutions to better serve the merchants and the market. Thank you very much.
Mu'attaz, and congratulations to Bank Mars for the Best Digital Financial Inclusion Initiative. We move over now to the second out of the 8 Digital Innovation Awards, and that is for the Best Pure Play Digital Initiative. Your winner here is Absa Bank Mauritius, and here we have Rajesh Parameswaran, who is the head of digital projects. Rajesh, congratulations to you and of course your teams. We'd love to hear a little bit from you.
Thank you, Digital Banker. It is a huge honor for us to be recognized in a global platform of this scale. We have successfully introduced a range of initiatives that facilitates our customers to access low-touch, technology-enabled self-service digital channels with an emphasis on customer journeys which are frictionless and seamless. Some of the initiatives that we launched are not only first in the banking industry in Mauritius, but it would apply to many parts of the world globally. This includes Abby, an AI-powered personal digital banker in humanoid and kiosk form at our branches. Abby was also extended to provide for WhatsApp banking, both for banking transaction and queries. We were the first to introduce AI-powered digital KYC in under 30 seconds across customer segments while digitally onboarding. We are the first to offer cardless and contactless QR code withdrawal at ATMs during the pandemic. We are the first to provide a goal-based savings account. And last but not the least, we are the first to have one Absa Mauritius mobile app, which caters for retail, business banking, and wealth international customers. We are proud of what we have achieved, and we believe we are at the tipping point of a much bigger banking revolution. Thank you once again for this, truly humbled and honored.
That's great to hear. Thank you so much, Rajesh. And of course, congratulations to Absa Bank Mauritius for the Best Pure Play Digital Initiative. We do have a highly acclaimed in this category, which we're going to go to next and honor them. Now, this goes to Mashreq Bank, and I believe we have here is Akhil Goel, who is the Vice President of Cards Portfolio. It may have been a slight change in the speaker, I'm unsure, but over to the representative for that. Congratulations to Mashreq.
Right. Thank you so much. We would, on behalf of Mashreq, we would like to thank you for this award. It's a privilege to be here. The effort or the aspiration at our end is to be able to digitize the entire customer life cycle for our consumer base, right from the point of onboarding to everything they do in the product life cycle, from early engagement, portfolio, cross-sell, maintenance, and even points of exit if we can. That's the journey we are on. We've made progress. I don't think we are there yet, but that's the journey we continue to aspire to complete. This award goes out to the team that we have that works relentlessly to make the digitization experience better for our customers. And we would also like to thank our leadership team for placing their faith in us to be able to deliver this. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much and congratulations. That is, it's a great recognition there within a remarkably competitive category. So congratulations to Mashreq. We're going to move over to the Best Digital Banking Initiative. And the winner for this is UBA Ghana. Once again, there isn't a representative to be present this afternoon to collect the award, but we will accept this award on behalf of UBA. So congratulations to United Bank for Africa. We will now move over to the highly acclaimed category, which is for the Best Digital Banking Initiatives, a familiar organization to the Digital Banker for their concerted efforts, and would like to congratulate none other than Absa Bank Mauritius once again. A pleasure to see Sandeep Mohapatra on screen live. Sandeep is the Head of Digital Transformation and Technology. Over to you, Sandeep, for this award.
Thank you, Nirav. Thanks, Digital Banker, for this honor. While in the past we've won a few awards, but this one is special. It's our first highly acclaimed award. And I think I'm truly privileged to be collecting this prestigious award from Digital Banker on behalf of Absa. Absa Mauritius has swiftly responded and with purpose to our customers' increased demand for simplicity, for speed, and for personalization, completely reimagining the bank in the post-COVID era. And our relentless efforts are on. Our willingness to take bold action, readiness to embrace and interlace emerging technologies, our ability to then deliver those omni-channel digital experiences has led to very strong customer engagement, significant increase in digital adoption, and efficiency gains in our processes and operations. This award is yet another strong testimony to our innovative spirit and is progressively cementing our position in the industry as a forward-thinking digital bank. A big thank you to our customers, to our shareholders, our board in placing their trust with us, and a brave, passionate, and ready team for making it all happen. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandeep, and well done. Congratulations to Absa Bank Mauritius for that highly acclaimed recognition there. We're going to move over to the Best Digital Transformation Program. Let's talk to you about a highly acclaimed category here. Now, here we have Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, and there you can see Hussameddin Adwan, who is the manager for digital channels. Hussameddin, thank you so much for joining us today. It's great to see you. Congratulations for the Best Digital Transformation Program, highly acclaimed. I'm not sure if you would like to say a few words, but you're very welcome.
I would like to thank you, the Digital Banker, for this award. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations. That is Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, ladies and gents. We're going to move over to the 7th out of number 8 for the Digital Innovation Awards category, and this is the Outstanding Digital Acceleration in Response to COVID-19. We do have a winner here, and that is Mashreq Bank. So once again, we can see representative from Mashreq Bank. So I'd like to actually hear from you guys a little bit around this this digital acceleration in response to the pandemic. So please go ahead and say a few words.
Thank you once again. We are humbled to be here twice. COVID-19 accelerated the pace of digitization for the industry, and it was important for banks and individual players and other digital players to keep pace with that trend. I believe we've been able to do a reasonable job of staying with that pace and keeping up with those emerging trends. Like I said previously, this remains an ongoing and continuous journey. We are happy to be here, and we hope to be here again next year with hopefully an even better platform and even better entry. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations once again to Mashreq. Let's conclude the Digital Innovation Awards category for that, now looking at the excellence in digital innovation. And your winner here is now coming from Egypt, and it is none other than Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt. Here we have Adil Goma, who is the head of retail banking. Adil, congratulations. It's a fantastic achievement. Would love to hear from you.
Thank you so much, the Digital Banker. This is an honor for us to receive such an amazing award. This is the second year in a row to have this initiative, while as you know all that ADCB Egypt is recently introduced to the Egyptian market. It's been 2 years now, and thanks to the efforts and support we are getting from the bank leadership to make such an amazing milestones happen. Thank you so much again for this, and I would like also to thank my team and everyone that worked with me to receive such an award. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Adel. Congratulations to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt. Ladies and gents, let's move over to the Frictionless Awards category now and introduce your first winner. Now, this is for the best eKYC, and your winner here is once again Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. It's great to actually have Roshan Mampili on screen with us. He's the manager of digital channels. Roshan, I'm not sure if you'd like to give a smile and a wave, but you're very welcome to say a word or two if you'd like.
Thank you so much. We're really honored.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank. We now move over to the best frictionless customer relationship management, and the winner here is Standard Bank of South Africa. Unfortunately, once again, we did not have a representative that could make this afternoon's gala, but nonetheless, you will hear from Standard Bank on this particular initiative at a later stage. We now move over to the outstanding client onboarding and account opening, and your winner here is Mashreq Bank once again, and we have Mohsin Aikal, who is the SVP of Retail Banking, here to accept the award on behalf of Mashreq. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I'll just say thank you very much on behalf of everyone at Mashreq. Thank you for the recognition.
You're very welcome, and of course, well warranted and well deserved. That was Mashreq Bank, ladies and gents. We're going to look at a omni-channel award now, and this is for the outstanding response to COVID-19, specifically for branchless banking. Your winner here is National Bank of Egypt. We will collect the award on their behalf, and congratulations to their efforts for that. So, ladies and gents, we're probably around 60% through the gala. I would just like to say, for those who have been attending our galas virtually for the last 2 years, the great news is we are now moving back to a physical live format, and the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards, which is our largest assessment program, actually takes place live in Singapore on the 10th of November at the Andaz Hotel, which is owned by Grand Hyatt. We're introducing a number of individuals and institutions flying in from across the world, so it is an honor to be actually representing these or actually commemorating them live and in person for the first time. We very much look forward to next year hosting this gala live in Dubai as well, to welcome the Middle East and African organizations over for the MRB 2023 program. So this will be one of the last virtual platforms you see from us from a gala perspective. I think that's great news. We're now over COVID, so we're delighted to do that next year. We would also like to say that from our angle, the emphasis of institutions has really been one of exploring and expanding existing products and service portfolios that are really delivered through smart, sort of digital, accessible channels. We've heard from a number of organizations here who have talked about how they've accelerated their digital efforts through COVID-19 and how they're really trying to digitize the entire customer journey. For us, Digital CX is a trademarked initiative that we're looking at, and what we've done is built a Digital CX maturity model. This really assesses banks and ranks them on a Digital CX maturity curve. We believe this is where organizations and financial institutions will be in the next few years. So once again, we'll be delighted to provide you that insight and assessment. With that said, I would like to move over now to one of the other categories of today, and that is the Service Innovation Awards. Now, this is, of course, it's a highly competitive category. We all know that banks being service-led, moving and transitioning away from the sort of product-led environment. So we can actually see quite a few submissions coming in, making this highly competitive. And I am delighted to introduce your first winner here for the Best Mobile Banking Initiative. And this award goes to Qatar Islamic Bank, QIB. And here we have Dorai Anand, who is the General Manager for the Personal Banking Group. Dorai, congratulations to you and, of course, to QIB for this award.
Yeah, thank you, Digital Banker, for giving us this award. It's truly, we are delighted to accept this award on behalf of our entire team here, who have been working very hard in terms of bringing up I would say one of the best rated mobile banking application, both in Android, in iOS. So we're very happy to receive this award. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dorai, and congratulations to QIB for the Best Mobile Banking Initiative. We'll move over to the Best Financial Inclusion Initiative, and the winner here is QNB Al Ahli, and here we have a number of representatives, and Tariq Fayad, who is the Assistant Chief Executive and Board Member and Chief Business Officer, I believe, just may want to say a word or two. So over to you, ladies and gents.
Thank you very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and it's a pleasure to be among these distinguished guests and winners. I have my colleagues around me. On my left-hand side, is Ms. Nagam Andil. She is the head of retail banking division. On my right-hand side, Ms. Lobna Adel is the financial inclusion lady in retail banking. I wish to thank them both and the rest of the team for the efforts they did to put us in this position. Financial inclusion is an important subject in this country, sponsored by the government, by the central bank. And we in particular look at it as a very good business opportunity. We're very happy to be among these distinguished people. We're very happy to be awarded this award, and thank you very much to Digital Bank. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Tariq, and of course to your wonderful colleagues there. So congratulations to all of you for those efforts in being recognized as the best financial inclusion initiative for the MRB Awards 2022. And that was QNB Al Ali, ladies and gentlemen. We now move over to the best financial inclusion initiative, this time for a highly acclaimed category. And we'd like to welcome back a familiar organization from this afternoon. Your highly acclaimed here is Bank Mars, and once again we see Amr Demirdash, who was kind enough to give us a few words earlier on. Of course, he's the head of micro SMEs banking and Islamic finance. If you would like to say one or two words on this particular recognition, please feel free. You're very welcome.
Again, it's our third award as Bank Misr and the second for me to receive. I'm really humbled. This is the result of two main pillars, a very, very, very strong and innovative team, as well as having deep impact on our clients. And I thank the team for this outstanding efforts, for their outstanding efforts in the past couple of years. Thank you again for this lovely award. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Amar. Congratulations to Bank Mas for that highly acclaimed award. We're going to move swiftly on to the Best Financial Inclusion Initiative. Again, a highly acclaimed accolade here. Now, this goes to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, once again over in Egypt. I believe we have Mrs. Doa Khatab. This was, there may have been a change again. It was the Senior Manager Financial Inclusion and Sustainability Transformation. I would like to pass the floor over to you and you know, once again, congratulations on this highly acclaimed initiative.
Hello, everybody. First of all, I would like to thank you so much for the award for the second year in financial inclusion, and we are looking forward to more awards in the upcoming years, inshallah. Indeed, the ADCB started its financial inclusion roadmap 2 years ago with very different concept and vision, which is inclusion via empowerment. Listening to our customer voice and the customer real needs was the foundation for all financial inclusion plans. In NDCB, we consider the PWD segment is very important segment to work on hardly. It is one of the top priorities. And this consideration came from our belief that they are a segment like any segment in the society. They have all rights to obtain and to enjoy all products, services, and facilities provided by all the society sectors, including the banking sector. Accordingly, we launched the first financial and non-financial package called the Irada, especially for them. And recently, we launched the first subsidized loan to empower and include them financially. Furthermore, financial inclusion and CSR work together and collaborate together to maximize the benefit for Irada package and to create greater value with better outreach. Actually, we believe not only the banking sector should work hardly on this file, but also all the sectors in society should work hardly in this file because PWD segment deserve better life. Finally, I'd like to thank ADCB management for the support and the support they provide us. Every time we came with new initiative or new idea, till it sees a lot. See you next year, inshallah, with new initiative and creative ideas. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations for that highly acclaimed accolade to Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt. We're going to move over to the final award within the Service Innovation Awards, and that is for a final. It's for the winner rather in outstanding financial inclusion in response to COVID-19 here. Just before we introduce this winner, this may be the final year that we will look particularly at a COVID-19 category. What we will do is transition now into the new normal and a post-pandemic environment. Of course, COVID-19, still exists, but in terms of the accelerated efforts by banks, we now see them transitioning from what was an acute emergency episode to now the new normal. So that will be reflected in our updated awards programs for 2023. But your winner for this particular award is SMB Bank Mauritius. And of course, we don't have a representative here today, but nonetheless, you'll be able to hear from them at a later stage. Ladies and gents, let us move over to the Marketing and Customer Awards here, which we're going to look at two organizations, and the first one is for the Outstanding Personalized One-to-One Marketing Initiative. Your winner here is Mashrek, and we have here Mr. Aladdin Al-Desai, who is the EVP and Retail Banking Group. Aladdin, congratulations to you. Please do say a few words if you would like to. Otherwise, smile and a wave is sufficient.
Thank you very much. We feel honored actually to be recognized in your forum, and hopefully we're looking forward to seeing you all in Dubai next year. Thank you very much for this award.
Thank you very much, and congratulations to Mashrek for that award over there. We're now going to move over to the Best Customer Loyalty Program across the Middle East, and your winner here is the Saudi British Bank. We were going to have Mr. Sheikh Wajihuddin Nizami, who is the Senior Manager Research and CI. Unfortunately, he was unable to make it this afternoon. So we'll accept this award on their behalf. Ladies and gents, please do welcome the People and Employee Awards now. We're going to move into the first award within this category, of which there are 4 in total. The first award is the Best Graduate Program Best Graduate Employment Program, and your winner here is once again Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank Egypt, and we see Amin Shoki, who is the Head of Human Resources, so coming from another vertical or line of business within the bank. So Amin, great to see you. Would love to hear from you. Congratulations.
Good afternoon. It's really an honor to receive these awards for 2 consecutive years. Thank you, digital bankers. In line with ADCB Egypt's strategy to become the most preferred bank for our customers, the bank hires and trains a top-notch of fresh graduates to become best calibers in the market. With a vision to invest in the future through youth empowerment. On the future outlook, the bank aims to sustain and grow the ADCB Academy to capture more talent who will become the new banking leaders in the future, inshallah. I'd like to see this opportunity to thank my HR teams for their dedication and commitment, and also the executive teams for they support us in these initiatives. Thank you, digital bankers, again, and thank you for these awards.
Thank you very much, Amin. Congratulations to your division there for the Best Graduate Employment Program. Of course, extremely important, given the competitive environment within banking and looking for the best talent. So great to see you moving in the right direction. Let's now move over to the Outstanding Staff Training, Learning and Development Program. And your winner here is Bank Mars. And we do have another gentleman here to, I believe, accept the award on behalf of Bank Mars. So if you'd like to say a word or two, you're very welcome.
Thank you very much, Gala, for the continuous outstanding gathering. So the award indeed attributed to the astonishing effort from all teams behind the success. Our culture transformation is the overarching for our required healthy transformation as an enabler for all strategic initiatives and achieving a better employee experience. One of the culture initiatives was a Bank Master Innovation Competition, aim to achieve huge learning impact around the value of innovation. We opened the door to all Bank Mosque staff to live the value of innovation and give them the opportunity to innovate and win by proposing a complete project, not just an idea, a complete project of innovative product and service that focus on delivering value of really the innovation. The employee has to build a team of 3 to 5 members to join the competition. Thus, the agility and teamwork value induced as well. So it was really tremendous positive vibes created in Bank Mosque. And again, I really attributed all the success to the astonishing effort from all teams behind the success. Thank you again very much, Retail Banker, for such a tremendous gathering. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations for that outstanding staff training, learning and development program to Bank Mosque. We move over now to the Retail Banker of the Year, and I'm delighted to actually introduce Sanjay couldn't actually join us, but it's actually Sanjay Rawatiya from SBM Bank Mauritius. Unfortunately, emergency sort of meetings internally, so unable to join, but congratulations to them nonetheless. So we're going to move over now to the CEO of the year. And your winner here is QIB, otherwise known as Qatar Islamic Bank, and the CEO of the year is Mr. Basel Gamal. And here we have Dinos Konstantinidis, who is actually the Chief Strategy and Digital Officer to accept this award. Dinos, over to you. Great to see you.
Yeah, sure. Nice to see you all. Good afternoon. So Mr. Basel could not join. He gives his greetings to everybody. I would also like to congratulate the Digital Banker for organizing such a structured award process. We're happy to be part of it. On behalf of everybody here at QIB, I would like also to congratulate all winners. Well done to everybody. Keep on going. And yes, I would like to thank the Digital Banker again for the recognition of QIB with a number of awards for a second consecutive year, some of them. We truly appreciate the recognition. Thank you very much and good luck.
Thanks so much, Dinos. Great to see you. And of course, congratulations to Mr. Basel Gamal for the CEO of the year. I believe we are sort of nearing the end now, ladies and gents. This is given us a great opportunity to benchmark the best practices within the Middle East and Africa region. It's also allowing us to see the initiatives that organizations are driving in response to the sort of previous health pandemic, but of course how they're preparing for the next few years. So we've heard some great speeches from a number of our winners. All of these assets will be made available to all followers, subscribers, readers, and the audience of the Digital Banker and Global Private Banker across our platforms. We do implore you and encourage that you download the assets that are made available to you, of course, in the virtual lobby. This does include the Digital Banker magazine, which is the latest awards. You'll be able to read about the winners for the Digital CX Awards program. This is our largest assessment program, which brings together all lines of business from retail banking, transaction banking, private banking, and to a degree insurance as well. Of course, there is the Digital CX Post Awards Insights Report. So if you're joining us just now, this was an assessment and an insights report we've put together for our Digital CX Awards program, which we ran earlier this year. Now we're going to go into one of the final awards categories. And of course, just before I do that, I would like to sincerely thank all of you, the organizations and individuals who have attended today virtually, and those who actually undertook these submissions. Without you, we could not undertake these assessment programs. We could not actually create these best practices. Of course, looking at a bank at a high level, looking at balance sheets, looking at financial performance metrics, that is not a problem. But deep diving into initiatives, understanding what their customers' pain points were, looking at the legacy infrastructure of banks and actually how they're overcoming some of these challenges really requires detailed submissions. So winning is no easy feat, so you should all be highly sort of proud of yourselves, and of course congratulations to everybody from today. With that said, we're going to move directly now over to the country awards, and I'm delighted to introduce the first award within this category, and that is the Best Wealth Manager for Mauritius. Unfortunately, the winner cannot be here, but it is none other than SBM Bank Mauritius. So congratulations to SBM. Now we're going to look at a pretty important award here. Of course, these all are, but this is the best digital bank in Qatar. And we have once again Qatar Islamic Bank. So congratulations to them. We heard from Dinos just a few moments ago. This is, of course, from a different award. I'm not sure if you'd like to just say hi and bye, or if you'd like to say a few words, but of course the floor is open to you as ever, Dinos.
Yes, thank you. Not just a few seconds now. Thank you very much. We started our digital transformation program a few years back in 2018, and we have the whole bank behind the program. There's so many people I could thank on behalf of, within the bank, and of course we're very thankful for the support of our board of directors and our group CEO and the whole management team. And we are truly honored to receive this award for the second. Thank you.
Remarkable. Thank you very much, Dinos. Congratulations to QIB for the best for the best digital bank in Qatar. Let's now move over to South Africa and looking at the best digital bank there. Your winner here is Absa Bank, and here we have Alex Olu, who is the head digital design for Absa Digital Products. Alex, congratulations. It's a remarkable achievement. Of course, South Africa, no easy feat. You've got some large institutions there, so congratulations. We'd love to hear from you.
Hello, and thank you to the Digital Banker for this award. We're deeply honored, to accept this award. And I think, for us, this award is recognition of the hard work of a lot of my colleagues and I. Digital is a team sport, and there's many people in the organization who help us really drive value for our customers through this channel. At Absa, putting customers at the center of everything we do is a fundamental part of our strategy as a group, but also as digital. And I think for us, this award is confirmation that putting our customers first and meeting them where they are is really the best approach to digital excellence. Our digital adoption, digital sales, digital usage, and most importantly, customer experience continue to improve as a result of this strategy. I think maybe just in closing, I want to thank our customers for the continual feedback to help us improve and for trusting us with their finances. Everything we do is for them, and we're glad to really accept this award, really on their behalf. Thank you.
Thanks so much. It was great to hear from you, Alex. Congratulations to Absa Bank in South Africa for the best digital bank in South Africa. We're going to now move over to Saudi Arabia and look at your best digital bank there. And your winner is Al Raji Bank. Unfortunately, not able to have a representative here for us, but a great achievement nonetheless. We're going to now move over from the best digital to the best retail bank in Qatar. And a fantastic achievement across a number of facets here goes again to Qatar Islamic Bank. Congratulations. We've got Dorai Anand here again, who is the General Manager, Personal Banking Group. Now, this is quite a significant achievement here, Dorai, so I'm not sure if you wanted to say something, but we'd love to hear from you if so.
Okay, just a few seconds. Again,
Sure.
Thank you to the banker, and congratulations for all the winners here today. And again, the award is again a testament to all the effort of the entire team. And so I want to thank my team and all the team members who are supporting our efforts. So thank you very much, Digital Bank.
Thank you very much. And for ladies and gents, if you're just joining us or have recently joined us, if you would like to see our criteria and assessment methodology on how we rank the best digital bank or retail bank within particular countries, you may request that from our teams or the representative you've been working with. Otherwise, it is actually available within the submission guidelines. But we do encourage you to take a look at those frameworks because it does give you a real sort of insight into why these banks are ranked where they are. With that said, let's look at the best SME bank for Egypt. And that actually this year went to National Bank of Egypt, but we're going to accept this award on their behalf as they're not available to join the gala today. We're going into a regional category now here, and just going to look at the best SME bank in Africa. Now, this was a particularly hard award to judge, but this year it has gone to EcoBank Transnational Incorporated. So Congratulations, EcoBank. I believe we're just waiting to see if Tara Squire is able to join us. There are some technical glitches and issues on our end. But we're not. But if she is able to join us, then or if he is able to join us, rather, we'd love to hear from him.
Hi, sorry, I'm having some issues. My bandwidth. It's interesting that we are having a conversation around digital, but my bandwidth where I am now makes it difficult for my video to make it stable. But we are absolutely proud and happy to be part of this and to be recognized for our efforts. The SME segment is absolutely the sort of the growth engine for Africa, and therefore we are sort of only beginning to scratch the surface, and our main focus is how can we digitize the entire customer experience and bring banking to the doorstep of the most manageable segment of SMEs and bring it as low as possible, for lack of a better expression. And we're absolutely loving some of the initiatives that have been shared here, and hopefully we can pick some learnings that can improve what we are doing out here. Thank you.
Thanks so much, Tara. Although we couldn't see you, we heard you loud and clear. So thanks for joining us live today, and of course, congratulations to EcoBank for the best SME bank in Africa. From our angle, it was it's delightful to see such an array of regions and countries represented here today. Middle East and Africa to us is an important region, important countries, continent. We are, increasing our efforts to run a number of other programs within the region, and of course for us, looking at the nuances across Africa, just as a continent, is remarkably interesting. When we look at West Africa, North Africa, East Africa, and South, and of course Central, there are a plethora of financial institutions there, really making waves and headway. So we're interested to bring to you a number of insights, research reports, and of course assessment programs for next year. Most importantly, I would like to thank or re-thank all of you again for taking part in the Middle East and Africa Retail Banking Innovation Awards Program 2022. For us, this is only the second year running, but we're glad to see the program growing exponentially year on year. We believe next year will be significantly larger with a number of other institutions and new initiatives. So, ladies and gents, thank you so much. Do continue the hard work. Do continue putting the customer at the forefront of your business, as we see. Of course, things are never easy, but it seems that the number of organizations and most organizations are really making the right moves. So from all of us at the Digital Banker and of course Global Private Banker, congratulations. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing many of you at the Global Retail Banking Innovation Awards live in Singapore on 10th of November. And for those of you who may be interested in other assessment programs, what we do have coming up is the Digital CX Awards, which will be for next year. The call for entries is this year. And of course, the SME Banking Innovation Awards that I mentioned earlier. This is the inaugural program within that vertical of banking, and this will be launched. This has been launched, and it will be made available next year in terms of the gala. Ladies and gents, I've been Nirav Patel, the Managing Director of the Digital Banker. Fantastic to see you all this afternoon. Congratulations to all of our winners. Stay safe, and we look forward to seeing you very soon. All the best. Bye-bye.